coaching. And yes, to play my 100th game today is something that in 2007 when I was starting, you don't see it coming. But being able to achieve this, I thank God. I thank all of you, your support behind me, and the ups and downs. But like we said, this is another chapter, and I'm just starting. I'm going to work hard, even harder, to make sure that my performances will even be better, because we know that we have a big challenge ahead of us. So thank you all, and hopefully we will all stay together.
The reason being is that already now they can say they are recovering from that wound of what, and almost had we are a look like so me now the for me now I know say they are recovering, so now it's not supporters no boss a baby and I for almost 5 years now no. As a me patrol, when we start league and patrol on my idea. Exactly. So when last season, say House of Oak on the 22nd week, now in order to call Libyan with 7 points. Almost be a far league there. But then you see, this is where we're coming from. What's a Kuna Uyano, Anka Unantia, Unako Promotion, Close Nanka, Unantia, from no. Oh, yes, I'm a Nanasako boss, Dabene could be. It could have been on my point. It's the best players. Yamubi. Sabi your boss. Minuka say me more has in but course course ani penyano krapo. I'm telling you, any supporters no, video munyama no. It can be yes and let's be a kasaka na do. But then boss, yeah, because I'm coming good sabi say house we near mididi. Say house illusion. But unse menye djuma ho. But supporters no. Say anyone comes to Sauna Mukwa, who can win Yaji as a former player, you feel good. And yes, boss, a bit too close for Fosu, no Musu, police phone now, police need me flow our stadium. Not Neman could no flow, no patch. Boss, if you're best wrong, Yakasan head, no more best wrong, say, who say, as you know, Moyano, and Gofakuma Tetri, it's not by even you alone, Gofakuma Tetri, the best form, the players no,
a facility in Krem, and the TN say. The here kesiye no pitch no make us say green grass technology any NSC staff and technical wing baby groundsmen anywhere here pitch no man omo nyina wo ho sisi omo ye efinu ade ban nyina no omo ye fertilization omo ye aeration omo ye watering ne de keka nyina enti una ti se bia nka wo ha no ma na okura cameras abon se park ne de ye green sisi ade tie ne se omo agama anyini kakra de tie ne se dey before the match normal mo into mo na a better level a required standard as say grass no etimi ya the ball such a big game into on your side in the meet me aka say
my ready for blaster and as far as me adum me that's think come me go team there anytime biana the we some or on purpose on to something biano my crowd maybe
Come on radio 97.1
and our week 13 now or to something biano no man we need body amayo and I mean adi amayo and I mean diamaya enti amomo and na so bi sa I need me Ghana ni Misigama my crowd say anytime we have to be ready to something bia ebe so mi so bia no my prepared you all no make for even to anybody be now we so say dem boni and that dey na akura we ayoma every activity your
penalty means that we're on them. So there was tactical variations in the second half, and actually we neutralized all their tactical ploys, and for that matter they could not find their feet rather than to resort to long kicks. So getting the penalty and missing it means that we're still on course because we're sharp in their in our
Skype's a solid team. And you know, I'm like, hey, I said, man, I be with you. I said, pan, Abano. You're heading Yamibe. Be Persia has been. Persia is very
proactive. I mean, referees who have not been up to speed, obviously, are taken through the due process, i.e., when clubs complain about bad officiating, etc., etc. The match review panel is there to have a look at the performances. I think we are on the right track. Refereeing will definitely be on the rise. Don't forget, we also invested in communication gadgets for match officials, and we're going to invest
the Black Stars of Ghana. We are only a few days away from playing our crucial match against our rivals, Nigeria. We all expect Ghana to qualify for the FIFA World Cup in Qatar 2022. But that won't be easy, as we need to do our best to make it to this tournament. The players, the technical team, and the Ghana Football Association are committed to this task. We really want to make ourselves and the nation proud by qualifying for this upcoming World Cup. Matches between Ghana and Nigeria are always difficult, but we believe in our players, we believe in our strategies, and we believe in the unflinching support of all Ghanaians as we go into these two matches. We are Ghana, and we have what it takes to come out victorious. I'm Otto Addo.
What are you guys trying to do? Let's be fair. Let's be fair with ourselves. I think, sir, what you are doing, honestly, I'm not happy with it. And you just have to put a stop to it. If it's a plan, and I say, whatever you guys have in that studio, then you guys have to put a stop. Honestly, the education of all my public is very, very poor. What is wrong with that? What is wrong with that? Do you know the aircraft that we use? Who told you they were, if me and Mitia at the age of over 60 years, I did not complain that I was tired. Master, what I'm saying, Master, don't tell me what you are saying. Opa airline, Boeing 777, is it a small aircraft? It's like Uti Rolls Royce, and somebody is driving Aquada. Will you compare it?
Alaji, I said my air came. Yeah,
and I'm telling you, to
I'm telling you, sir, to was a large to was
and I'm also telling you the education you are giving
a large to was a Colombia come the boy, yeah, a come the boy. Some of your players, some of your footballers.
Player that complain.
I will never tell you the name. I will never tell you the name. I will never tell you the name.
Oh, then the Messi cannot try me.
Alaji, me get the link shot. Now, so me get the correct woman say, and
I'm telling you, you are lying.
And then you two are lying. Also trying to Alaji.
Oh, come on, let's tell it. You guys should stop that kind of idiot things here.
Thank you very much. You can insult me, I will never insult you. You can insult me, I'll never insult you.
You can say whatever.
Your penny to
you guys should just give us a break. Okay. The club is getting the street now. I disrupt the club. Why?
It won't be a come
What are you telling me? That's why I said ask them. Did they take us up to even 10 hours to give them their pay? Yeah?
Alaji has no.
Tell me, what the
not you alone and the
we are running the club now.
Okay.
You cannot jeopardize the club.
Nobody will do that. Nobody will do that, Alaji. Nobody will do that.
You have a member, because Mike, you know what we're naming. You just want to say everything to the public.
That's why I have given you the chance.
And I'm telling you what you are telling the public, you are lying.
And then you two are lying.
I mean, come on, just give us a break. Is that what you were taught? Is that what you were taught?
Very. This is how we were taught. So, young kind of we were taught to be fair. We were taught to be fair. Alaji, take your time. We were taught to be fair. So we are doing the fairness here.
You are not being fair. You are not being fair.
And then you two, you are not being fair. You are not being fair too, Alaji.
Come on, Master, just give us a break, Master.
Thank you.
What are you telling them? What are you telling us?
Okay, thank you. Alaji, I can't be. Yes.
Kakra Megan say, and a ministry Kasa can say, and then on yeah, because Ocean Bona or you really know the passes in BPR. Even myself, I wasn't expecting to bit me. I lasted so the most of the time be a changes the banner. You need to about 80 minutes, you need out to about 79 minutes, right? Me say Suli started training for 1 month, right? Now we'll be out in say what if you are if you say or rusty, but there are things in Sulia or are too aggressive and disciplined. Discipline you said the say on Obisha or be all the respect on the field of play. The responsibilities be a man unless of catches will be no making sure say why there or sabi. For scoring today's goal, I'm happy for him and I believe say enye we nko obesanso akoso amana etimi ne standard no so betimi akoha.
This is Chris Hewton, the technical advisor to the Black Stars. As part of the build-up, I would like to urge Ghanaians to remain calm and positive about the team because we strongly believe we have the quality, desire and hunger to achieve the results that we want. It is our aim to qualify for the Qatar World Cup, and we all have a duty to make that dream a reality. Ghana have done it before, and we can guarantee you that everybody associated with the Black Stars wants this opportunity again to perform on a world stage. This moment presents an opportunity to write history, and we are all committed to it, from the players, the technical staff, the Ghana Football Association and the government. We value your support. We are Ghana.
Rafa, hey Tima, anytime they are on the bar, in terms of possession, they want to be ahead of you. But better players, any technical team, as you say, we managed to win this game. It wasn't easy. Their strategy to delay, and I think it's good for them because playing with House of Folk said a different approach, so we delay no frustrating.
Ghana will participate in the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham and continue preparatory activities towards organizing and hosting the 13th African Games in Accra in 2023. Government will procure sports logistics and equipment and begin the construction of a new multi-purpose sports hall, hostel facilities, an Olympic-sized swimming pool at Boteman in Accra. Mr. Speaker, some stadia across the country were renovated in 2021 and at various stages of completion as follows. Accra Sports Stadium, 98%. Phase 1 of Baba Yara Stadium, 98%. Esipon Stadium, 90% complete. Cape Coast Stadium, 60%. In 2022, government will continue the construction of the Abreu and the new Edubiasi Sports Stadia, as well as commence the rehabilitation of the Sunyani Coronation.
Torres, me nyane Torres say oye DC we no 2010 he did it to save his country. And also Ambanka, also into go through. We had opportunity, we blew it away. But he had to do what he had to do to keep the team in the tournament. Maybe I make say me want to choose more. Na side way na me so me yes ah. E dey aboa me country. Sometimes people feel say I cheat, but he had to do everything to save the country. Onya red card, but sacrifice yama. The country more could true. See me want to choose my me so me yes ah. Oh there be. Sad time no mum there. One say I didn't see I fresh. Send nkofo kekano me so ewura me team kakra me kai Sunderland against Liverpool ye na ye bo home nti omo chia chia ba enim bia me de hwe no na be pese be body nkofo kekan ne ma na committee be naive at that time no but later me be dream him na me say I had to let it go because
ready for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
right, Okuma 97.1. And now we go 30th of August 2023. Yes, ya transakure mun sam ya di nyina bro jumedi no so. Ya tuni din Okuma Global Sports. Yes, na no pa ya transe. And sama wo do no ne ba be hwe ofie ha. I would say, Yantiaman and Nsembaba. Sounds in a baba fee near the fee and come and net and some will fee. Tierney, Messia ne and some. So, only Sandra Dam and the Ghana Football Association. And so to me, I call on the Bet Power Premier League, you know, I want to 2023-2024 Premier League season, you know. And rather ko PMO and so now Puman Temuko Fredia. And how other Jumedi and Etimia Corso. And Penny Forward drawn the PMO Jumedi and Asia. And somehow drawn and Penny Forward to me. The regional minister here set Honorable Set Kwame Champon. Yes, Honorable Set Kwame Champon, our regional minister, our Eastern region. But in some attitude, our Jumedi and Asia. Sansuna from the Ministry of Youth and Sports in some F4 Abba. Afe Tibrekese. President Tedamada Ghana Football Association Ket Edwin Simon Okreku. And also then some Bebrina Edituja. Bewramni Abonina, the amount of Swati. Nan Sambia Ket the two Jana Manfonsuno Apejo Manudiasim. Now, Cat today, when your promises, but what can so be? Unsa and can the last season you winning the Ghana Premier League on that Mediama cash price and was 300,000 Ghana cedis. 300,000 Ghana cedis and can it is 3 billion and a Mediama last season. And Cat Edia to just say, what Belgian League in a fino or 5 billion. We're moving from 300,000 to 500,000 Ghana cedis. Afe, one better to me music or na afe you saw the for kraba 50 and canena otoso first, second, third, fourth, and Jessica. Afe you also from first to 10th. Obama Munyaneska. I want to hear one. I say from first. You be the league table, obedi league, you know. I got me about 10 for Kurano, Obenya Sika. And some are catching the 2 January. Sikane do do saying in that time could you hear the beba. Samsung teams are Eco Africa, no, or see a few are supporting next season, so no, or be supporting teams in Ghana. And ma football, so no, say Uko Africa, or your banner qualify Uko Africa, Obama Sika. Referees and so on some apa. I say referees no makatu no be na watch bia. Anya busumi biem na watch bia. Na sika no kra no de bia account here or say or de bi ai den account. Say na ket e de account. Ninyana na upon the Global Sports e be di mun come on. Super Transi, the writer commentator. Abai first in of fire ultra kron. Super Far Bible and the OBM nim and some award market our Bible nim. And I say can confirm how Vivia. So you are live on Facebook or Command Radio 97.1 on YouTube or Command Radio 97.1. Burama na fin suno yenin komo. Na arope ma mintia minia bra prakupe. Yes, flavor arope ma mintia o. Utem au my FM. Flavor arope ma mintia papa. I know I this here. Flavor hard guy. I know I say a yini no maybe do na mabuboni amada. I think flavor arope ma mintia papa minia prakupe I don't know. Na Zuba Papa Kenzie. Oh. Let me do one na yeah cocktail na dey call so Papa Kenzie pensu aji bia. Say bia aji bia. Abubo bia ye wie bibia wie interview na dey Kenzie sambo bia. Kenzie na fanya akwaduro. Enti papa di Kenzie ana fema michia. Na fenso michia mo Japan. Ana edin komo ni adia. Mo ana mo fano. As you saw you said others no. Sabe. Na tu ana uni papa yo. Abi get by the idea, man. So the only man so that's who. Man, shall cry. Say, you know, on the moon and Namna Jamoni didn't come on, Massa. And then, you made any come on, all pictures now. Yes, I cost Jimmy the Gum videos now on the honor cost when you for buying BBI come on. The Eastern Regional Football Association Chairman Lemford Asamoah Boadu then come on Edebeba. Now Zuba and Rada K Brown. I can't ask him Kujamia now Simon. What that K Brown? You want a picture? Maybe send him on your point out the auto so. K Brown, Chago Kanamisa. I said, we want a picture. Maybe we want a picture. I can't. I when I was eager, let's play. Tired of evidence. Evidence, why? I truck one side. I mean, yeah, no, so yeah, it's okay. I mean, pay evidence. I saw we can see him. As I'm crack of the evidence, room. It's an okay Brown video. What that me push up on here, so and a picture of the day. Say Tiana Nuni, the Kuran and Sabian Kumin in Fenina. Mocking. We don't sign the cats call you show inside. I cover you on the cats call show inside. Super, and Yezo. Yanni was saying, well, we had the answer inside. I call you all. I don't know. And I say, I can send conformative Ziggy Donzi. Sansona DJ Weather MCL. Nano Tamia the writer commentator Kofi Okori Achiman. The boy Gideon Into. And I think so no Timnina. We did the Kelvin and Ponside. Call me AK the boss player. And a Permatrasi. And Cheva Cornelia man and come back. But Super Waha, Mamma Super Quaba. Super, Sir BBI Kama.
Super, Yamia do me ho den. So hoye.
Yamia do me ho den so baboni ata.
Ye da trade ampo Yakubu tutubun so boss ni asase ase. Na Super obietro kronkron mu a Hosea chapter 7 verse 3. Also the Lord says, people deceive the king and his officers by their evil plots. Super what's it? Hosea chapter 7 verse 3. Also the Lord says, people deceive the king and his officers by their own plot. Inti anone come crowd uvie
no come on.
Oh that is super uvie.
Sisubi na ma want.
Super Hosea chapter 7 verse 3. Also the Lord says, people deceive the king and his officers by their own evil plots. Hey, Super, also is as Sisubi. Super uvie Hosea chapter 7 verse 3. Also the Lord says, people deceive the king and his officers by their own evil plots. Super, and then come out crowd be a trokronkonuma eka.
Asam no aka ne modu.
Emodu super emodu. Asen modu. And what you say kroma no ohwe Bible no mu a Erade na na eka se ohene no ene ne mpanifo no ene nkrofo bi omo no ho no amanfo daada omo. Tuba trokronkron na da ho no ya na ye trokronkron no e ya o.
Flavor so kwa so fudie da ben.
Tuba.
Aso ukwa so. Zigi ukra dimri amao.
Oh my, only for you.
Anu na bi ayitu ara no sa. Anu as well as the board picture. As well as
Zigi no come I go enjoy you. Oh, that people want me corner ban about late. Oh, na baby am na mo entertainment yes. Oh, you be film.
Anu aka kra me do na ajo afre. Okay, fine, fine. One na mon crying.
One na crying.
Say na mo.
Yes, simple. Is this super? Yaba, nyame adom ye ho
oten. Question no so kwa so fudie da ben a.
Oh, as of fudie de What is it? Bible no one can say Yankasi a war no. Ya Yankasa ya sofo.
Okay.
Is it was it Black Stars against Nigeria? Otia a prophecy be.
Yeah.
That prophecy now now. Is a for bia no bia ebodin. That prophecy no. That prophecy now no. If Soka say ujine no so aye sofo obetimi aye. Just because we believe and no confidence anyhow who game no energy nyama de die. And the Yankasi ya wo ya sofo.
Okay.
Yes, we can. So, is there 1, 2, 3? Now, Ocean Common say Bema. Uber first or Prophet Kelvin. Or D4 Kelvin.
Yeah. I'm from
yes. And the at yes 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Obi one more. Nyankupo bien any 1, 2, 3 person. Oh, me kwa kontia sorry. Eyo, but bisa on say that road na anase baby quite now nam so no. Eye anase nye.
Okay.
Ndi Zuba, obakwa mana ni aba nkobo no. Yes, and ye bedi Ghana Premier League nkobo. Na ye the picture bi beto so. He was the top scorer in the Ghana Premier League.
I got a picture.
Oh, in the year 1973, Abra Ghana Premier League no. He started see a bonga crank from year 56 eba no. 73. I don't know the top scorer of Ghana Premier League in the picture beto so. Na ya hwese tie for bet me aka nipa ko ne kakra.
Okay.
Oh yes, so a legend or JP ni esi akan edema one big club e wo kromanti. Ene be so etie for adwan hwe because you ba be edu no be biem ama manfu hu ade nani so. Oni say the Ghana Premier League yes start ya na boy. Yes, omo ball league bi ansa. Mpenfo bezo nti so ba kwa manani aba.
Okay.
Andra Tottenham ne Fulham fo ya omo twa omo
Andra Leeds United
Zuba
United.
Zuba fancy yo.
Leeds United.
Oh Zuba, mi yi we ne kire wa ko mo pe. Oh Zuba ko mo pe.
Na yete ade na se nyina na. Bisa unipa. Bisa. Anu yete ade na se nyina masa mi titi form sa. Krata sam maza.
Zuba ndro ko mo pe because
antina ye wi on se na ma ya nyina na no ma dinza maza. If I show group
is that me concrof we over 0.5 Tottenham we. Yeah, show mo ba ko na am say eh ade na mo zo ma betina radem da say. Nkrofo akom asem na me trends ade
Crystal Palace kwa ma me yemo shame but.
O ba ta no ye o me ye nyama. Me ko ma yem shame but o me ye nyama. O me tire so me. Eh.
I'm on relegation on.
Championship. Championship.
And but super. My comrade can get see one expert and I think so no. Tontina 74. Omukra mu aye kwa manane abantino yentwa homra abrafo nka to ye ba na I think ye wuremu e wa manane.
1xBet jackpots na landio alande na watch bia na chedio yenya ni so betwa wo bet for sports game bia so na obetumi dinkuni register with 1xbet.com.gh na use promo code jackpotghana na twa bet 1xBet ye nkunim die ho safo 1xBet who say nkunimdifo gambling ho atru ntitwa ne wa hwe ye nyema wa wundi mfie duo gaming commissioner Jinka to we atum
tontonte yenum nsane e fadwen ne e fadwen ampa say na nanu nim say bre bi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene asina nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no e ma immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho dendenden tontina 74 yinso ya ye no say nsuo krokro wa kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na kroi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tontina 74 amenya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ni apomuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana baby to nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufuo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone free 050-162-8931 and a 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadie nkratoi atom
Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero, no hay arquero.
para el gol. Palacio se la da y Caleri se va para el gol o Tevez, Caleri o Tevez, Tevez no, Caleri, cantalo, sí, Diego Maradona.
Young woman, offense, and a man and come young fanning in a fan to jump and to them from out to Marian so Yaquarium because say 1xBet and no and a cry more young so boys and a mobile chachana no one expert professionally bogramu nothing so download the app and register nothing so get deposit first deposit no yeah 100% bonus nothing so what the yen I'll be 1xBet app and also out so it will bogram now try who didn't responsibly nani ama sweat man konkan entona dia ma school fees no tia dia 1xBet na make come from ade ama nada ni ama tuto ye pa ade ma man for casting out big time entino 1xBet Samsung at Tontina 74 emu booster no so apa numpino na bo ma ni pedua na gina na nso na mabubo bia no pa me so me kika dia ma na just Tontina 74 no yeah, but say according to Bobby and Opena, so call at the passa Ziggy, Abu Bobby nice, or call at the passa and say, what done so Bobby and no general MCNS at Tontina 74, and then so a month for a papa, as any of my con can you dominate to a CM, and so no, at me the fraud amount of boys, and his girls, no, Mumbo Bobby at Tontina 74, Untumin Kan, our bono T74, Uramo Pharmacy Shop, and as a BBI come on. And so let me the young woman of young fan results no and fan to jump and to them from a young woman the Saudi Pro League no and rather matches do one so to make so uko PMO and so the Al Khadud Club Stadium and so our Nigerian DNS Al Khadud at na fiem ama Al Town ebe sene kapa kwa ono so no want to me ante Branton the Matthias and Pogono and so my Al Town Pobokono Denmark. And so no, and Alpha 30 minutes bunny after 90 minutes, no, game ni Korea 2-2 and to now Al-Kalaji and so at film and Al-Hazam and bunny and also Korea 1-1 Ali and so outside and so the bunny after 90 minutes and I said game na Korea 2-0 Ali Timno and so to myself Branton and then right Mares Epoko assistant and so if you Branton Saint Maximin and also to me my assistant now sounds like Frank Cassie, former Barca player, no, Frank Cassie, so another, on so to me Bogo, and so Sag Gemini, Bobo Quantity, and so the Al-Nasser, and so to Matanafi, and so now our park, our Riyadh, and so any Bobo Quantity, and so Al Sabab, everybody after 90 minutes, and I said, Gemino, Aquavia 4-0 in favor of Al-Nasser, Branton, Cristiano Ronaldo. Upon 2 goals and so Gemino, Samsung Sadio Mane and so the Baku episode and so now one man San Comanina and also area tucha and so that media and so now Jumadi so young Ramuna Fenson young Johnson Fufromo Niama Senesifa and so here Uko Ramu and so no our the UEFA Champions League and no that 3 matches set to make us way qualification matches and another course Galatasaray and so to More FK SN by 2 goes to 1. San Comano. Yansuria to Yansunadiama, Brantia friend Moro, Icardi, Abogorma Galatasaray, Sanson Angelino, and Soriba Kwapesuna Panathinaikos, Greece, and Niaman Koya from Panathinaikos, Amutina Olympic Stadium of Athens. Peros Luis, that's a Niaman Konkai. I'm a Bobo friend Braga from Portugal. Never born a Kabakwa. And also went to me anti Young Boys of Switzerland 3, Maccabi Haifa 0, and Tanuson is a Sani Sifatia. Young Stadium of the Galatasaray qualified economy. Samsung Braga from Portugal. And also qualified Young Boys of Switzerland. So qualifier. Yeri Sanko, Chuchenina, Nasunamao, Mammy Remo, England, and what EFL Cup and also matches Dodona Ultimate Course England and also Yefreda go Swansea City 2, Bournemouth 3, Southampton Birmingham City 1, Cardiff City 3, Bolton Wanderers 1. Next, Middlesbrough 3. Next, Radam away win to the dots of Papa and Tinkata 7 for away win to the next annual day and to Bolton 1, Middlesbrough 3, Bristol City 0, Norwich City 1. Next, and also Exeter, and so Stephen H. and so to after 90 minutes, and I said, game now could be 1-1. Extra time, and I said penalties in that so penalties in a 5-3, and then so no Exeter when Exeter come before where club a football team Exeter so qualify Madison Commoner Fulham and so no ultimate Kevin Cottage and 20 Tottenham Hotspur and so to me the point after 90 minutes, game no could be 1-1 now say penalties now penalties and then Fulham so no to match Tottenham and Yamamo 5-3 on penalties. 5-3 on penalties and then Fulham for now Tottenham Eddie Frimo our English EFL Cup San Comanina and also to try the amount Luton Town 3 Gillingham 2 Southampton Newport 1 Brentford 1 penalties next Brentford and so no at me 3-0 next penalties 3-0 next first 3 we send the first 3 your friends Newport as our first 3 penalties. I will also first 3. Let's say quit him and Brentford and right there when we somebody didn't call one penalties. Now Plymouth for Sonu 2, Crystal Palace 4, and not that many saw Crystal Palace papa. It's after just 46 minutes, normal that form a cameo new almost here. Now coach touchline so young such Jordan Pierre Apem now Brandt is a Pem. Jeffrey Slopper Bem, Ness Plessy Bem, Ness and Sacharaka Siapa, Ness Branty Eduardo automatic canon 2-1 on the 58 minutes, and I feel Jordan and you just assist an echo so. Ese Eswenya Bobby Churamu Pia through passing to one answer. A Branty friend I am Matata, not to stop Pierre at 61st minute, and 62nd minute. Now Branty Matata, Sayan number 3, Nadia Crystal Palace, Yarin Commander Banessa, Branty Jeffrey Schlop, and not that free bench by my assist, Jordan free bench by my assist. As a free bench, my assist in you, and Yama Conkai, and my Crystal Palace. Now, Yakuko and now Portville, Anthony Kiro at the ball name 0-0 penalties next Portville, and so qualified here, calling him Portsmouth, and so Peter Barry, known as 1-1 penalties, next Peter Barry, and so calling him, Yarin Commander Banner, Selford Wednesday, and not that Selford. Yeah. 90 minutes, you take penalties. There's Yisha the film, Manfield the Fono, Etma Yisha Wednesday Fono, and so to the film Stoke City 6, Rotterdam 1. We need to see now go anymore. 10 men, so 0, Leicester City 2, Wolverhampton Wanderers 5, Blackpool 0. Now Wrexham so any Brentford City and also go 1-1 penalties Bradford and so on name White Cup 0, Sultan and so 1. Now Redden dia no. Dia Redden dia ya anya gumu sa kwa. Redden ya bukra 5 odds. Come straight down ko 2-2. 5 odds on say na easy o nkwa. Penalties na say switch you over free money dia. Na Salford and Sony Leeds United na the point after 90 minutes akoya 1-1 penalties in it. Penalties no do na mo boy na no den Bobaku mienu mienza enai enum ensia and Kuno and watch it. Just say, we know you did 10 penalties. I know to me, boy, and say, we say, we know 9-8 on penalties. There's say, Bobo quite friend Southford. And so to me, I qualify, and so they call any money EFL matches, and also another. It's me to jump and so now England, my room, and then I'm in for matches and also and from our EFL and Chelsea and so now AFC Wimbledon and at the one is 6:45 to Chelsea Woofa Pie and Timon Konamunko Bobby Chelsea 6:45 for now and so AFC Wimbledon airport Sansuna Harrogate and Blackburn Airport Nottingham Forest and Burnley where all Premier League affair Sansuna and Sheffield United and Lincoln Doncaster Rovers and I feel soon Everton Airport and on Basel 7 p.m. Ghana time UEFA Champions League and 3 matches and a total AEK Athens FTO Greece Royal Antwerp and so that to me the appointment is Santonam FC Copenhagen or Denmark on a rack of the ball and over so 7 p.m. and I feel so PSV Eindhoven FA Netherlands so Rangers at me the appointment San Como Chuchenina and also there to Jariamon come on 97.1 Mami Urem transfer stories now young Fengu and so from Manchester transfer stories and what papa young Urem English Premiership promo on send rather than Basso Bono to course so awards etime course so now say we no Professional Football Association PFA awards no etime course so na producer basa young player of the season and also to call my Brantia Freno Bukayo Saka on PFA young player of the season and so now but what that say already afa Haaland the no to so Brantia Freno Ellen Bon Haaland and so we need PFA player of the season PFA player of the season and then Brantia Freno Ellen Bon Haaland it means sounds like PFA young female footballer of the year no and so to me call him Chelsea Babawa your friend Lauren James next Brantia Freno James no nini about Lauren James no on a Sabas Bono and so call at the man na PFA team of the year no any Monfanto so ayakradwa Monfanto so na PFA team of the year no mfama na na one sama o dey apa o surprise say woman na dey apa o okay na dey afa Facebook or come 97.1 on Facebook PFA team of the year ni say na goalkeeper Arsenal Brantia Freno Ramsdale ono na that post mum yes I don't know how them Samsung defenders no Kieran Trippier original right back Ruben Dias ejram John Stones na say kwamna bo be jira no and I feel so William Saliba na say we need defenders no Samson at midfielder no any Kevin De Bruyne KDB Martin Odegaard Arsenal ojram Samson at Rodrigo Cascante Man City ojram there's some corner 4-3-3 up front in Bukayo Saka Arsenal Harry Kane Tottenham and I feel so no Ellen Bon Haaland and also now Man City the Man City players say woman here Bakumi enum miensa and 9 enum Arsenal the also and 9 a woman and Newcastle Kuraba kuna Tottenham e Kuraba Chelsea ne mo Man U ne mo Liverpool ne so be a player be anwa otume wura mo PFA team of the year mo last season mo players be anwa the more mo so any start here it is PFA team of the year the goalkeeper Aaron Ramsdale at opposed to defenders and Brantia Kieran Trippier Ruben Dias John Stones Samson William Saliba midfielders Kevin De Bruyne KDB Martin Odegaard Fenso Rodrigo Cascante up front and so near Brantia Freno Bukayo Saka of Arsenal Samson Harry Kane Tottenham and Fenso Ellen Bon Haaland and also Man City and also San Como near Tucha and so let me na Mami Uremu Brantia Moise Caicedo nkomoni na unim say Brantia Moise Caicedo abra na just say ene Chelsea no musi makani ade na sa Brantia no be piem wo hono na say so be bo Chelsea na Chelsea mo mo kwana nim na Newcastle for akasa say Brantia Freno Moise Caicedo no a good player papa and today Newcastle pen phone be kasa say Brantia no former Newcastle coach ni adia makasa say Moise Caicedo say Chelsea for amo wani kono papa eno so ebeboa mbese ntie nsema ya on na yentie ma me fan finish na yentie nsema Newcastle mpanyifo no enso no atumi ede atutwa ede afa eye Moise Caicedo enso eho na we Chelsea fan mo wani nye we Chelsea fan mo wani nye papa se ene no Moise Caicedo aba utim no enti no yentie nsema mpanyifo enso no atumi aka ede afa eye Moise Caicedo enso no eho.
He's just gone into Chelsea, huge transfer fee. Am I right in thinking he was one that you were looking at? Newcastle?
Yeah. It was brought to our attention, and to be fair, Steve Nixon, who to work with for a couple of years, you know, he was responsible for Joe Linton and Almiron, and to a degree St Maximum. So fair play to him, and he did mention this kid, and we were looking at him for weeks on end, and unfortunately he chose Brighton in the end to instead of us, but he was one we were looking at what might have been.
Antiani Newcastle paying for over the 2 years. Na Branton and Brebi now Sankoba Newcastle, but no much squad na. Ocha Branton, Alexander Maximemo, Jolin Temone, Bruno Guimaraes, man. No munyin is a Branton Benya Biabontino, Oko Brighton and Essa, but don't want a Branton Mono Osoro, and Teneno or say Chelsea for Mama Maninye, Sabranton in and Sono area, Moise Caicedo. And so to me about my min ninkomo min kopiemo and so Tottenham akache me tinkomo me tete Brantia fanan 240 Barca na yase Tottenham for say na Brantia no open loan and Brantia and Tumani 40 yase Tottenham for the 2 years omunya Brantia na omako for say loan no so no bepo and so to me the ama Tottenham bo continent 40 and that screen so I was trying live on Facebook no Uramu Command Radio 97.1 on Facebook like a page, you know. Sign up and so the phone come and so for go and so for maintenance to 40 Tottenham first Branton open loan. No certain about bomb the amount a Tottenham Pobokono and also then come a through up the amount and come to channel do a trade by likely start Branton Fernand to 40 and also be about Tottenham or couple loan and so na Chelsea in man you mumpe where they have full mumbe 90 million for Chelsea for mumra muni play be on up front to Bossing and 240. Mama fam Moncola no bien winning Bossing and 240. And so I don't know. Mammy Uremo a Brantia friend Nuno Tavares. A Branton so couple loan Olympic Masania dia Yasa Brantoni Uremo Nottingham Forest nothing so no. What me I could see a kind hour on your Branton friend Morillo. Amo Kona is loan deal no and neya almost sign a contract no and so to me the mom na Nuno Alvarez on Arsenal player. Obe Uremo nothing so what me I could sign loan deal no our £2 million plus a option to buy no next a Branton modern ball kaya next Nottingham for bed deal no permanent to be a next £12 million and also Nottingham for Nyotua Edema Arsenal but for the meantime now Branton no a couple loan and so that media man Nottingham Forest here is San Common Banner Flowan Balogan and Como and so near a Branton officially but must sign contract no media ma Poboka friend AS Monaco of the French League Animal into Branton Flowan Balogan on also Remo El Monaco on also officially was signing contract no media moment in medicals and a Branton Yasika so 40 million euros plus add-on to no and so can work close in na omo de ashishema ninyina no ko 40 million into Branton Flowan Balogan on also Remo El Monaco from Arsenal on also kwa si akan and so no na me wura mo Tottenham be nya Tottenham Nottingham Forest you see Chelsea mo former player our take ball the body ma Fenerbahce a Branton friend Michi the Batman Bashuai yeah see on the colors in favor na yellow and black into what do go club we am Nottingham Forest say omo kwa ko wie deal no kra deal no Branton Michi Batshuayi. It's a likely that Branton is time returning to English Premiership football. No, so I be see a kind of Nottingham Forest. And also come on to draw. Janssen might for say Michi Batshuayi. And also Uramu and Nottingham Forest. No, so I see a kind of come on the Tennessee Fatia. Janssen yet for now. Real Mayoka for in come up. Metitista Branton from Rob Holding from Arsenal. No, you see, I likely so much my joining. Real Mayoka of Spain. Now Branton Etima see a kind of mom. You see negotiations in BC. Now first a Branton friend Rob Holding from Arsenal. On also Rome of Spain. Now first Real Mayoka. What you make see a kind and so at me their mom and then come on send a sifa at your banana news in about pass a catch. Sa Branton friend João Felix. Me maone Eko Pimfiada. A Branton be Rome of Barca. See. João Felix from Atletico Madrid. Meseme ma wadne ekopi me fiada Branton be huramu enso no Barca na afi so akosi akan enso na timi ade ama mo ntane ne nkoma abeto dwa yenso ne timi de ama etie fo twumade no so miri se no ma me nkopie mu enso no na pobo kwa efreno eye AC Milan se Porto Branton efreno Meditarami pa many AC Milan for some of the official paid and so called 15 million euros. So no, I'm on the corner face so no Mediterranean. On the sweat my papa see a kind of association council the Milan and so no the Italian Serie A ma yare san common and so no etimi edi bana Chelsea for no moment player now monto dia moton on Marco Cucurella and I'm not Asa grom asa Branton news ne banasa ya grasa nya gro asa ya grasa nya gro bi nsani atia ana no ya say pobo kwa friend Manchester United won say no me ma short list say Man U for say a Branton friend and I say short list buy no a Branton Marcos Alonso of Barca o kan Samson a Branton Sergio Reguilon ono so o Tottenham o kan afei a Branton friend Marc Cucurella Chelsea ono so ka ho na nu adanwumre na se o ade na si Marc Cucurella obewuro mo United eti upo United for no mo Chelsea for reject no Marc Cucurella no obeba Branton no man of the match champions ni nyina wa jibida enti no mo ncha na mo mfa ne sa look so pre mo ni option mo mfa ne sa Alonso na mpe mo pa mo because left backs about the war ten ye bia enti Marc Cucurella ugo ade ho pia o to ho pia o za man you for twa Cucurella ade ade ya nei obantu e footballer genie yes say supporters can out akoka bi but Chelsea mo so nsi ye Branton Jadon Sancho say likely so beba say Ansu Fati dia na mfa likely say Jadon Sancho and so no ebetima Branton ebetima kwa negotiation tin say Cucurella ba na say Sancho so ewuram wo Chelsea teams bo wiazi o players so enti Cucurella kwa United likely say Jadon Sancho and say we ewuram and so no Chelsea na obviously ankabede Sterling da right na Sancho da left two Ramsa na Nicolas Jackson the new about 20 matches na watch 5 goals more and so amana some ma yam fancy na ya na say bibia and so no enye kama pa and so no entimi emfa emma na say ensem bi wasem we na mpese be the film na Chelsea for okra and was I am say we can one say Arsenal and Man U game na referee friend Anthony Taylor no kwa di game no na Arsenal for start isu so referee way there what's that United United it's Arsenal for say o mani njada Anthony Taylor no masa pen for we want to but if you say mumpu anu ana yafa na assistant Christ and the account Gary Bestwick obejira na Ali Bet omum and assistant referee so fourth official Darren Bond Van so benya brand papa friend Gerard Gillett and afis no assistant Van and say Simon Bennett into Arsenal for Muso Bonso Anthony Taylor ono and akwesiada against Manchester United and also betimi ejira mu na afis no what the game no ɛnso no ɛwɔ Barca Eric Garcia no Girona fo no ada na mo tam krata gu om kon fro Bas hwi o manfa salunka kwa Bas hwi ko pemo Catalonia som no mu nyina na wo ko pemo Barca se munjen krata yi da mu hwem Barca fo bie mu hwe ya Girona fo som Eric Garcia omo peno pa na Javi su hwe ma no zin ya temo peno but yankura hia na semo enti no anya dia yebe jama na ko ba Javi dia tudwa se Garcia ne dia Barca epe ba Girona so se eno na omko e bata nya ochena nso om sambe ko esan bid foforo akotumu e dia ma brantie frɛ no eye Eric Garcia enso no ewo na Saudi Arabia ma menwura mu Marco Verratti said in common up ba bo so mienu kom yensanie na say brantie no likely say last day no Saudi for no sandi sika ba ko piemu aye our Arabi team no omni sika ba ko piemu PSG na fin so brantie frɛ no Marco Verratti ono so no etmi apa abesi akan enso no ere ama our Arabi enso no ewo eye eho no ma yere san komo no enso no etmi dia na Crystal Palace for confirm the deal of Abrantia Freno, Dean Henderson, mind for goalkeeper no, Abrantia no etme wuramu, and so Crystal Palace on also call Yesicani £20 million, 15 million, and over 2 plus 5 million add-ons into Abrantia Freno, Dean Henderson, and not done with the medical, so no, and so no, in penny for, and so no, etme by panel, and number panel toma, that feels Dean Henderson, on also etme the post tomo. At me, Ediama, Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace goalkeeper on your cra. It's a new to me, Apedi Henderson, and also no able to me, Abwa, Elmo, Jumediano. Sentino, young Fenty, young farmer, and Insemino, and so no, and Sina, Tina, Penchaka, send come farmer, Richmond a free year, where Bima, Uti show no papa, our London, there's some monitor shown from London till Richmond, a free year. Utimwa Londoner so show London for the I am mo ya umete kra samono monse niska mo watch ne issues wo monse niska tina Richmond a free ara pay mamicha papa say also no o monitor show no ho o hwe time na say bibia de dempa e won wa say the message no ma be kinkan at Richmond ara pay micha na ko free so de no micha na de anono Bitu ano etie weekend nana you were ye call baby to boabo ho ai nana weekend ye be concrete to boabo nti no ma ntwa omra ye ba na ye den komo twetwe no ato aso
Ebusia, upesa ukranie me free brochure e de bagana na. Ene efe ho asem bedom ANS. Wo 20 ana 40 footer container no. Ana eye left hand drive cars ena wo pesa wo tono amanone. Emfa ho ba bi free bia. UK, Europe, USA, China, ana Asia. Se wo de bagana ba bia ye de bebrel. Ebi na mposo ene wiemu hyemu ntino. Eba na ntem dia, woni how kra. Ye door to door delivery ni nso de. Na wotwe bia ye kra ne me free UK ene Europe. Between 3 to 4 weeks na lande yambo nso de boko sawo eba custom nhihye yenso a yetimi ma wakwantre na ebia na wo de wo paso kakra bi na wo pen tentem de ayade 3 to 4 days ne ye de brel hihye ANS fo akira kwan ne wo Europe a wotimi frɛ ye Germany line no ewo +491 737 712 733 Ghana 0249 170 423 na UK so +44 790 80 27 527 ANS Trading Agency Limited yedemu fua
tontonte yenum nsane efa adwen ne efa adwen ampa say na nanu nim se bre bi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene asina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho den tonti na 74 yin so ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti baabi a wonam bia wobetimi de wade akọ samene wo a ankafi na ekroyi eda no nkọ na wie ya wabra mennom T74 sɛ mennom tonti na 74 a menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi ɛyɛ hahama ɛne yɛde ayɛ na DHC ɛna aframa na yɛ kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ne apɔmuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana baabi eto nnuro bia wobenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi ɛnyɛ ma ɔba a wafa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufoɔ ana sɛ obi a onya mfie dumienu ɛto phone frɛ 050-162-8931 ɛna 0246-073-498 FDA agye adwadie nkratoɔ yi atom
Usika seme nkoyi ana quick credit siasia se sika pe ennafom intina yabasa ye becheche wo yembosia boncheshe ye ho wutumi bobosia edifi asia ye fee 1500 Ghana cedis edeko na nia wo hia ne wo national ID card wo hia se wo betu susu wo hia awowa yenje sike bia nto ho wo nsanso hia se wo ne yembebue futuo bia quick credit ewo homao se ye dwana wo pese wudi ana wo pese wo hye ejuma frase ana say your school fees ana po eyeye bosumi ejuma ye fo nso ye wo bi mamo na mom kai say ye mobosua ewo internet so afenso omantic akrobia batan Bank of Ghana nsa wo dwumedie yimu enti tutumri kana freyen wo 0302200390 ana 0596920833 quick credits lending made simple kai say dwumedie yin hye kakra wo
Okoma Radio 97.1.
All right, intino anonso anono yembrana yemfefie de no ento aso na yemedi nkoma aka no enso no wa super atena se be wuram super se bibia kama biem nsamo akwa ba
super message so se ohoye wa kwa ba otuja se ya no makai super tuja Bazuba de bia me bisa mo se ye young girls na omoje piniesi akan edema the Women's Premier League Black Queens ene ye mba national team no dama na se dachi mi no omunyambo a yetumi bu omo ana just question because one lady Sulemana
Memunatu.
Yes, Memunatu. I was there now. Me who the story about that lady. You know, I'm lady. Yes.
That time I job by more Black Queens on that post.
She was part of the 1999 FIFA World Cup Women's team at Ghana. Yekoino na Okambi. 2003 FIFA Women's World Cup na Okambi. 2007 FIFA Women's World Cup na Okambi. So I'm asking myself. Oshe aye waje no ho esio that 1999 2003 2007 oje penya so no ebebo Black Queens no yenhwe ekwan ben anase den no nya wo Black Queens ne mu
so ba ode ye baba be dis san komo no nyina wo ho
si ba ne nya wo me say former president aman
two bedroom apartment ana asama sika say on find
oh yes
yeah baba hwe sansem no nyina but nsem wo fie say na uzie ni fie komo
ye bedi fie komo nsem
wo no doso
papa oni pa picture we nto so yenko Facebook me koba ne ahwese amanfo eyeyi a oni pa picture no to so ma me na me kan oje the Ghana Premier League 1973 top scorer oje piniesi akan edema one big club e wo krom ordinator so ordinator so ntie fo nko ye besi ehu ni pa ko ne din who is this player ben no odabi player ben no what you say ye bi say tie for player ben ene ye de na to so
Facebook for say omuhu yo ntino
oni banya wa ne fa ne to so am Kebra yeah whether bon fa nye yi mame yeah fa ne to so mame yes he was so superb 1973 ordinator so ordinator so okay nti oda so
agwa say you as a benji
ya na to so etie phone ko Facebook
ya former benji
first etie for enko Facebook na omo typing the din so ye pese hu din dia ye pese ye kai listeners no players no my be no yes because top scorer in the Ghana Premier League Enyezu 1973 or super party super obeda so sa na yen hwe obi obetumi hu nipa ko dina yen ko efise membran komodo Dawson second akasa wakasa papa onipa so akasa we go to Royals for mu
Linford.
Oh yes Linford so akasa kama papa na ndo asamo coin mo bibi na bibi e okay.
Oh bibi kama organization was okay. Bibi had them mom say yes bibi kama
nyanhye na ha adwen
nyanhye no ana sa question no me di pin ba ko tama AC no me di pin no na almost say abrupon be kasa answer no
election no just because of election no nipa
o describe is a comment that question is a unfortunate question ya bisa no ya ba se be Premier League on to
in a super what Premier League to mania the injunction out to league so how will you play the league
and just say abrupon FA no dey emunhihye ene munkomo nyina meba
eh super yankomra quotation e dey no na me yi ne no ti yankomra super yankomra
ose
e quotation e no na me yi no ti yankomra na ma mu ebo obi edi pa so yankomra.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again.
All right, young for Fisamantia so Jumedian so information for Harmony still live for Command Radio 97.20 Katroni and Song Country as a flight number 97.20 tour and Command so Enshada and Yofidiagro and Samuel Dawson Yasavatan Danny Dingnano Yabobo and Pythagoras Toy Uofia. Now we out there at the Soka Twice Santi Copation and the Palmcotiasis in the stars Medino and a writer commentator Bedu Solomon for City Abusive for short. Yes, Gabriel Bridge Manu Petim Wadu Martini and Akos Nebams dear Ozzy Nabi Biasono Etumi Aya Kamanandra and I'll copy the 2020 Aya 3 2024 Ghana Premier League launch no Etumi Tokyo Kofodia Kama na Oko Piemo or launch na say onim sem penifo kukudam ebe piemu awujumede na salso ana the president of the Ghana Football Association Mr. Ket Iosokreku ono so enim dia kakra ebe ta jumede de chia wono etimi ekasai na onim say the Ghana Premier League upiema in the year 1956 and he started say about the Ghana Premier League after saying the year 1933 Gold Coast Club competition etimi ashase enti wo hwe the Ghana Premier League enye say fiti and yashase dabi near about Gold Coast Cup competition in the year 1933 edidim sa ebe piemu year 1954 ansana pen fobe Francia womo ebe sano the Gold Coast Cup competition ababe the Ghana Premier League and common so enshada anya fediagro na osha the Ghana Premier League and pen 4 rankeno as the best African league in the year 2001 equals 2010 and now share the Ghana Premier League now it seems like your performance 2001 equals to 2010 year done dino and IFF HS in penny 4 8 major now so a boy abaswa and common so enshada and your fediagro na Andra osha the launching eto Jakama and only the president of the Ghana Football Association and the trophy bisanse nyamia duma since in a September no dan any expect enfem free penny 4 and nyama ben of the akwemum yenti and come the president of the Ghana Football Association Mr. Ket Iosokreku Ediejai.
Following the event that ended a short while ago, everybody should be super expectant. Everybody should be very, very happy because the new season promises to be very interesting. On the player movement front, you see a lot of movements. At the tanker front, you see a lot of movements. You see a lot of club owners investing heavily in their teams. And today, the FA has given weight to all the big efforts by our club owners across the country. The determination of the FA is to make the league very, very competitive, produced and delivered in serene and secured footballing atmosphere, and to ensure that the competitive nature of the league is very much protected. The strategies we roll out today is to enhance competition in the leagues. That's the reason why for the first time, and for the very first time, the merit awards spans from the very first team on the league to the 10th place team in the league. We are offering rewards for hard working, reward for excellence, and reward for being competitive. Okay, we are very much committed towards the general enhancement and improvement of the GPL, and I believe that all the clubs that will be competing in the GPL are very much committed towards this cause, and they will be very much encouraged by what will be at stake going into the new season.
We and Komaka, the president of the Ghana Football Association, Mr. Ket, is a quick word bar. Yet the common area mazinity for the same bisano. As a Usha last season, I seems I support 177 Kekele Keniki Kiskoki Kakra, Aji maybe house and of Katokoneba, and I'll bounce supporters Beko Stadium, maybe Aji Adriana Stars, any house Nebua, and I'll bounce supporters Beko Stadium. Now, this is, Nyama Bain at the Ghana Football Association, Pin 4, Ediego Aquema, one more SSS, supporters, ebet me at various stadiums.
I think, to get fans, everybody to play a big part. Here, as a GFA. And Medican can say, you be promoting league to go up a year. Here say clubs also be promoting one more individual clubs. Here say you be getting closer to the media to work towards the common vision. And I think going to the new season, the FA is very much committed. Football a tool a kind of boom, and the person use the GPL to bring all of us together so we can enjoy our most popular sport, football.
And the way and Komaka, the president of the Ghana Football Association, Odia Ba, Yadi Emas in the T4, near Cosway Bisa, Mr. Kesa, Mr. Kete, it's your share Premier League now. It seems like a boss season be area. You're playing Saltomo performance, Echo and Kano, the India to know Omo movie Echo a year different clubs. And Yama Benam Penifodi Go Aquema, won't make sure say almost about some seasons, your both seasons be you bet me keep your best players, I will air the Ghana Premier League anymore.
Say and steps are yet taking, and as policies are yet rolling out, it's all geared towards improving the economic health of your league. So, to me, improve the economic health of your league now. Club owners, to me, any more resources to invest in their clubs, and investing in their clubs, including investing in the players. Once this process continues, now you get more investments. You're very sure, a lot more of the players, the person will to continue to develop. A gradual process, it may take time, but the FNO and they show clear commitment towards improving the economic health of your GPL.
And when you come out, Mr. Ket, Ediabana, Mr. Ket is Simbisano. On him says, Siano, UPM the Ghana Premier League from the first position, Echo see the 10th position. First, Abaji 500,000. Samson second, 200. Third, 1,000. Samson another fourth, 80. Fifth, 70. Sixth, 60. Seventh position, 50. 8th position, 40. 9th position, 30. And at 7th position, 20. And nobody has said, Nyamia the Ghana Football Association, elections, Ebaso, and Untia. And I seems like the cow draw the India to know from the first, the answer will be our Ghana Premier League. From the 1st to the 10th, election in India. And why I didn't say, oh, CKU per se, what the defer the Vermont for, the defer the Vempen for, and now almost so over to me tomorrow. Yemis Yentians come out, Mr. Ket, ES Kreku, at the Tuja.
It's unfortunate to say a question because check here. Last season, you had 300,000 as a league winner. The second place league winner, you man saying 150. The third place, you man saying 80. The season before, you man league winner 250. It means every year there's a conscious and continuous effort at improving the economic health of the GPL. And today, it's a feather in our cap in that strategy.
And the winning Kumakra, the president of the Ghana Football Association, or the Yadi Emas in the telephone and raw, and Penfo Kukudam, and Okopiem or lunch and I say, Mr. Lenofa Samoa Okopiem Kutukuyaza. But Penny and didn't come on his last season. Kotogu for by non person or more Kakalakani Kiskokin else one far, and for Mamo, Yebisani says, so far, and draw shot lunch and draw Eto Jana, lunch on Kumakra, and come away, and a Linda Linda of Asamoah Ediejaye.
Yes, Kotokura before I was about the Premier League, number 8 years in Division 1. So when it comes to Division 1 league there, you and also your players are, I think here to be maintained about 23 good players. I'm more Premier League anymore. Osha your performance, need teams are to miss show money at dinner. Yes, I be at Kotokwasa name lack of supporter, you bigger. Osha your matches are your ball Division 1 stadium where man who be beside and you call away now about 19 buses. And the supporters follow and do Premier League now recombine and be samba. So I believe say you better be able to put our acts together. But the beautiful thing is Yeni Anum United Swaba, Yeni Anum Crystal Palace Waho, Yeni Anum Kufodia Semper Fire. I must say the stadium here, I must remember fee. And Yeni Anum Susubi Suho. They say there were 5 Division 1 clubs. Water Region were 4. Greater Accra was 7. It's a muache. And this is Ghana, na first Greater Accra 12, na Water Region Kwankra back, na Dubabia, na Fe, and your man, I can see your man. They said, we believe we say it's still region team. Ever so qualify for Premiership, easier than before.
And the way, and come Accra, Resio, Erma Kotokurias, opinion day. The island of Asamoah Diaba, Yedi Emma's in a T4, Nayabi says so far. Osha, and a nam, injunction, Amdia to leg, so injunction, Ebama leg, no, Akoso.
I know the maybe to Obiama injunction there, and the injunction is on the Sunday. A documentation Obiaye. Yeah, you're supposed to program Biafra injunction, dear Brian. Anna, ye buku ye bibia, sana sa injunction the private day. Everybody. It's no, you believe you say, ya lunch it, or see a lunch it. Whatever happens, the court, judges, lawyers, I'm going to be determined. Now, you measure, I can't answer.
And the no, as a Unipa Kasaka Mapan Command so answer that and your Fidiagon and a crack near the piano say, Nanka GFA election or Enya Ekakakwasa, Bampin for the Abatuja say, the GFA elections on hold, Nano Sone.
We won't be injunction assembly. Because injunction now committee still will be a injunction by. Media say, your mom tax semi host to Premier League lunch. Alamaye, the Fefe, Amaye in Ayani. This injunction bone, Junction by minimum. What to Busamiam, Seminsanka Pipia, Intino, Nimetua Kafano.
And the way, and come out cry, Linda for Samoa, Oko Piomoko, Tokuro Yaza, one and our other team Cassiano and Command so, and Shada and your Fidiagra San Elio made to Jano, Osha the Ghana Premier League in the year 1956, and I've been for Esther to say, one more airboard the Ghana Premier League, the first teamer, 108 Miaji the Ghana Premier League, a Bobo Kwanedi, Eddie Glorious across the folk, 1956, 1957, Yenya Rinebia Ewa Honmom, 1958, House of Folk Eba Beje, so which means from the 1956, equals the 1958, no, House of Folk and the first clubber, 108 Miaji the Ghana Premier League, Edidimsa, and a Krobia Kumasia Santroko, 1959 on Ebaji the Ghana Premier League Edison Naso, 1960, 11 Wise Eba Beje, Unimsa 1 hour second D, House of Folk Ebaji, 1961, 1962, South now Kopiema, Raw Republicans, 1 more 8 Miabaji, 1962, 63, Krobia Kumasia Santroko, Ebaji Tuyasu 2 times, from 1964 to 1965, 1 more Ebaji Tuyasu 2 times, 1966, in 24 Amajumedian Ambaso, Ebusua Drafts, Eba Beji, 1967, Sansona Krobia Kumasia Santroko, Esambeji Tuyasu 2 times after say, Ebusua Drafts EGNO, from 1968, Ekosi 1969, Great Olympics, Oli Gbogbo, Oli Mashi, Oli Julie Ju, Oli Rosalinda, Oli Konson, Wano Ebaji, 1970, 1971, House of Folk Ebaji, Krobia Kumasia Santroko, Eba Beji back, 1972, Great Olympics, Ebaji 1974, Krobia Kumasia Santroko, Ebaji 1975, Southern House of Folk, Ebaji 1976, Sekendi Eya Zakes, yes, Asma Godum, Ebaji 1977, Glorious Across the Folk, Ebaji Tuyasu 2 times, 1978, 79, Krobia Kumasia Santroko, Ebaji F2 4 times. Ye pomame. The first time Akrobia Kumasi Asantrako Eji Ghana Premier League Atuaso 4 times was in the year 1980. Ekos in 1983. Or in 80, 81, 82, 83. And a House of Folk Ebaji Tuaso 2 times. 1984, 85. Krobia Kumasi Asantrako Esa Babak Ebaji Tuaso 3 times. It really tells us say yes. How Krobia Kumasi Asantrako and also House of Folk no now one more air dominating. Kotoko Eje Tuaso 3 times was 86. Ekosi 89. And House of Folk Ebaji and Kotoko Sambet Je Tuaso 3 times. 1991. Ekosi 93. Sanso and Kopiema Go Face. Yes, Oboase. One more Esobe Je Tuaso 3 times. It really tells us say yes. Now Oshe clubs out now. Now one more air dominating. Don't forget, I said the first time House of Folk Oji Ghana Premier League no Oji Tuaso almost about 6 times. Ye pamame Kotoko Obeka Oji Tuaso 4 times, but House of Folk ebe breaking record now. Wano ebe Je Tuaso 6 times. Tie House of Folk diana enye 1997, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, ekosi 2020. Young Fensio, Nyamia de Mochna, Yababa Tiaso from year 2003, Ababesi a year 2022-23 season. On him say just ended no a year Medema Sporting Club and a edgy and Yamia de Mochna, Yabatiaso Edifi a year 2003, Ekono, Nabi Biasono, Etimi Aye Kama. Yeshe a year players Aldua, one more Etimi Aye the top scorers in a Ghana Premier League. Okopiema, 1973, Peter Lamte, yes. Now wano JP si akan Edema House of Folk. Wano etimi eshe 26 goals. Sanso ena Okopiema Dan Owusu Tanobo Fakwa wano etimi eshe 24 goals, which is in the year 1974. Sanso enti Oshe the Ghana Premier League from 1974 ekosi 1976. Opinion din edit Dan Owusu wano JP si akan Edema Tanobo Fakwa no. One etimi we need the top goal scorer 3 times. I actually tells to say yes. Now the performance no very superb and common so answer that and you for that granted. Young friend Fensio, Nyami Adomochna, Yebe Tiason Kakranka, now board my biasonom, etimi I come and Suba, Yakofiaba. Now, what I'm saying, yeah, train say, Chrisu team met me naming a squad for the upcoming qualification last game against Central African Republic. Yami Adoma next week Thursday. Kumasi na Suba Okopiema. So far you play Abena on Shadambo team. Black Star player Abena Mo team. Okay.
Yeah, I'm free on your Black Star player.
But so Obio on board clubs is here as it stands now currently. Uni pay.
Bodia.
Uni pay the say up to Suba. Menyan use be so a squad no.
Ale.
Oh, captain. Now I captain our only club. Super. No. I don't. So, super.
No, the question is, Oyadi and Onyadi.
Super Oyadi.
I can't any problem.
Oh, fee super on what club?
No, me just say.
Super on what club? No, super on what club?
You watching here?
Okay.
On what club?
Yes.
And I mean, me be start say, Oyadi and Onyadi.
Super Oyadi. But currently, the form ne ko.
No.
Oh, super ne form echo.
See, they didn't involve. There's only Bobo. See, Oyadi and Onyadi.
Super ne form. I any previously no enyan enonende. Oh, super ne form I nim no enyan enonende. Enya say yan penasem super. Ye penasem. We have a lot of players out there.
You have a friend or national team no.
Super, and I'm is here my own breaking news be so okay can na man na me menti ase no.
Adai.
Super senior Obio captain also on what club na in the recent time performance no we have a lot of players out there super they are performing currently at the Momo club.
And why now Susu say you did tenasia on Panamashim.
One I mean Susu.
Ina one huno.
Super they pen up who I say or squad no be. Me breaking news I see I mean who so no Eka squad no be. I don't side with them. Say
you're afraid 25 players.
So just one game penny.
23. And one game no. Players are by I borrow 15.
15 yo.
And the bit was your friends on more.
Uba super on bono.
You knew Kumasi now, your friend I am an ammo.
Super a woman, sir, but or no, till or my mom says, or no, there are lots of players out there. Maybe one player be cry, ebe taking the position. Or bet me up for me. Super, yeah, and at least if say Anya maybe 3 goalkeepers and I say 2 goalkeepers no be friend.
But news Samisa can say can fight any F in court case no. You to the question 6th September. 6th September.
Next week Wednesday.
Next week prepare.
Wow.
6th September.
Na Black Stars Igbo game 7th.
I said in Ghana Premier League.
Oh, that one there. Just me scenario.
Of course, we are not Norco Stadium.
Of course, we are following the Norco Stadium. Super. I'm fancy now.
But some packages, you know, the other two jobs.
Oh yes, me they are too bad. But only panier bisane say, is it just because of elections in Niana? No, okay, kaka, but so just because of the elections now.
And they say there is a opportunity to bring up this and they are two jobs.
Oh yes. But I'm on Facebook. I'm who a goalkeeper lady.
Memunatu.
Yes, Memunatu. I'm who 2-bedroom na ex-president. Oh, yambona baso. And na me kana ye girls no be yo me yimbobo na. Super den no me amfa so be no me nya.
Nti baby ana first out ni.
Baby ana first and that so it's even on Facebook baby ana first out. No in tabodai mu. Oh, tabodai mu na no order.
Yamisha nia oye story in the buy.
Yes.
Yamisha ne papa.
Yes.
No this our story in the buy no. Yamisha ne papa na onka no na oye ne kese.
And you ube hu dan no. Only pa video no to say ube hu.
Super kind of papa.
Nti bibisa say nti uyu yem ene bo na ya na say when you
cause na ask me your kind in an interview o chemu say of a fro kuranta for onyem ye. But because of national team call up until the coach ane ayu panyi ka ho amom yia ntafo no. Yin say because of national team call up, I have friend national team no ehia no imposed nti no. Omo yin say no.
But
okay, there's video
no. The video na to
say. Facebook.
Yes.
Na mon ko share Sulemana Memunatu.
Yes.
Na apartment ya je dia ma no 2-bedroom house.
Yes.
And on said that Facebook a video no e twegu enti no yenda
it is super obetimi aka say
Citizen TV I say some of this video no buy.
Obetimi aka say from 0 to hero ana.
Way from hero to zero.
Okay, from hero to zero. Sure.
Anyaminti. Hopson ado na ka Anyaminti e be didi.
Super. It's very sad. Only say they value in Merman than them ba.
Na Merman ko be bire ho kire mo. Ini be bire o ma bo national team be bire. Amo kire mo. It no apartment na so badwo no. Say hall 2-bedroom.
Oh, bathhouse ni ahihye mo.
Hall ne kitchen.
Bibi ahihye mbi. Bibi ahihye mbi. Is it obedi de o? So if you answer no be obedi de. Yes, Obabe. This is Zuba. Mami fancy na the one and Tiaso na bibia so ntimi enko. The writer commentator ne yes, AK. Etiaso.
All right, into the Zuba veterans still now near Uramuna GFA support for clubs to campaign in Africa next season. Into a club now we need FA and a FA Cup or Confederations Cup and a Champions League now. See any woman near cat say next season. Ubenya $35,000. Once you about 2 rounds, and some will do the group stages. The first round is an media my boy and dreams in Obama be at $35,000 next season. O qualify for the second round, so was about $35,000. In all no, Obama club will be at $70,000 for preparation in the first round. So what first round have media with him?
Sure.
But o cost second round, the first round about 35. Ubo we na ko anima was about 35. Then you acquire 70. It is 70 here, 70 there. Now I say I don't so no. Sansona a man so next season. Then say what food zombie qualifies no near there na ukutumi kwa. We need Women's Premier League now call a man who wafu zone now. About $35,000.
Wow. They say if
the same I'm
it's almost final.
Yes, and Jobema $35,000. Omu womu is our stage omu Bobema $35,000.
Okay.
Jomu to me we need we no call kakrakana. And also another second so up mom.
Wow, that was great.
And also Kurt Edwin Simon Okreku at the end. Ghana Premier League, Diano. Anna Manford in Como, baby, dear found at the Abba. Ghana Premier League, Diano. Ghana Premier League, Diano. We know, I say winner no. On Zankan media, my amount 300,000.
Yes, 300. Yeah.
Yes, in the end, also to move from 300,000 to 500,000.
Super.
500,000 Ghana cedis. It's autos mienu so about 200,000. And can an autos mienu and also the annual and carotos mienu. I think so. Either 200,000, 80,000, something like that. 80,000. But next season, another season here about boy. Autos mienu about 200,000 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
Third place, you know, 100,000 Ghana cedis. Fourth place, 80,000 cedis. Fifth, 70,000 cedis. What also sit down? Unya 60,000.
60, yeah.
Seventh, 50,000. Eighth, 40,000. Ninth, 30,000. And I think on the 10th, you know, 20,000. You know, last season the announced just ended Premier League season. You know, now from the first place to the fourth place.
Yes.
I know Ubenyeska because first Ubenya 300,000, second and 200,000, then 100,000 here there. But this time we're moving from first to 10th. So what I say?
Yes.
It's instead of describing the say political, you know, you saw it in no clubs and the almost so many agents.
Yes.
So what I say?
Yes.
Referees, dear no. I saw any weekly. Now it should be we are 1,000 professional referee. FIFA there now. FIFA yes sorry. I mean kind of FIFA referee. 1,100. 1,100. I know remember. Anna more I have friends say class 1.
Class 1
referees, you know. And also know 1,000 cities match week bia. And can I Otiano Bosomi
yes.
Bosomi be to me 3 months. Na I know did to job him say on the referee biaka. Do senior amount now referee say cat in the car saying you cre. And now what you referee biaka. I know so many referee fa. So kind of mountain I don't know how it didn't come on there. You know. I'm saying no or pesca gusu. And the referee for former man tonight. Head teacher no didn't come on there. I prepare baba. Na yeah propaganda ni mischief ni amankwa na we ofia mo. And I don't see a referee so and so at the end no. But you made in come on. And fan Premier League lunch and in come and then somehow do and also free mo at the bar. Senior. And Ghana Premier League Japan and to officially. Martin Penyufuano Keto Kreku and Comodia to ya.
Yo, okay, ebetia etiefuna na yamawachi. We say ege indra na me bisa question me na aka misi yan komera. Na me bisa say as a whole Premier League obidi injunction ato so. Na we say anko pound to ma. Na no person kire yen den because anything covering that football near body na no the injunction den ato so. So how come say ye kwa no ye den ye kwa lunch na kwa pound to ma say league ni beba so. It means na say we person kire court no say oh na abese we na abese we. But we question we be saying the same question we ask because we nya say we be saying wa because we say mfa so bi ene so won abase we balance won we ene no we balance intino am say won balance we ege wo hwe near more the two dwa because in a certain way it's exciting say Premier League you know sika odi ato so ne say enga at time say twum ka Premier League in first and second they be at 10 na we nya bibi kakra but we know we imagine up to 10th position it means we do 10 kura we nya 20,000 na it means ade bia emu edu abetime de a church we bibi kakra and we just say ade bia be boya but eke we say maybe just say eyin here political talk and I say enye abatu nti and okofa yi ba ya na because it means abatu le ba kwana yi ma sa abatu na wadi injunction ato so na one tell say one move the injunction to the 6th September. 6th September na one go can say no wiki. Enti yan say here political talk na be say
we know yeah Sit then
I election no.
Yes, on election.
Yeah, election then.
You know, league in here can
ice good. Yeah, league in here ice good. And the Kinfasa I on the seat. Yeah, election about to one Ankasano. I know the judge. I did me say election. I said election no. Ebane say I didn't go to me say. Time to Abanankasani do not. Oh yeah, won't me a president. You can make us see. Yanshania ever do court than ABC. But you can make us see. Would Bono Oshe Sika Obe spend in total. What means
1.1 million Ghana cedis.
1.150.
Yes.
1.150 billion Ghana cedis. Eke is Kaketiwa. Is Kaketiwa. Now you say info necessary can be fiaba. Because there was a team who signed him, you know.
So was secure sponsorship from BetPower.
Yeah.
And so now the BetPower sponsorship in Indian for.
Okay, you know.
And I walk up the can one channel be to and also. So anyone the first to sending you know account.
Yeah. So say how many can be fiaba now or the Buya Premier League now. It's so exciting because again Premier League born anything. Anything because Oshe smaller teams in Ayaka smaller team time Kinfasa no money we na there Kinfasa or travel fee Kumasi eba Accra once a 100 million just one day pay over say because now Kotoko has media money are there because now they pay their players over so league again because fine fine but say bit me abasono and then answer no and I say bit me agina so na etima ye no ya same bibi.
Oh send the aba and for me I think they were raising standards, you know. It's whoever takes over as an FA president. I was also no over the back home because all by an sir.
Yeah.
All by an sir. Because when he was asked, I was there when he was asked the only this election.
Yeah.
And he said, debut every Premier League season, Biano. I was say I didn't call him, and yes, I was there. Such as over the years, you know, Obi about the people count to another movie, no. To that standard, and yes, election.
Oh, okay. Why can't you inquire about election in Tieki?
Yenti and some market or Kreku at the Tuja.
It's unfortunate, say, baby, Sasa question way because check here. Last season, Yama 300,000 as a league winner. The second place league winner, no, Yamano saying 150. The third place, Yaman saying 80. The season before, Yama league winner, no, 250. It means every year. There's a conscious and continuous effort at improving the economic health of your GPL. And today, it's a feather in our cap in that strategy. It's unfortunate, say, baby, Sasa question way because check here. Last season, Yama 300,000 as a league winner. The second place league winner, no, Yamano saying 150. The third place, Yaman saying 80. The season before, Yama league winner, no, 250. It means every year there's a conscious and continuous effort at improving the economic health of your GPL. And today, it's a feather in our cap in that strategy. I'm saying, and then so ato ma inso ento ye na MFD from ye, but and then no, yeah, say we stand for the growth of the Premier League. We stand for more investment in the Premier League. And we stand for, say, you better improve the competitiveness of the Premier League. And then, asempa for your clubs, you know, for all the faithfuls, for lovers of the game. We are going to say, FA take practical steps to improve and to enhance the quality of the league. Apart from all the policies and interventions now you're rolling out today, a confirmation of your determination to improve the league, and we'll continue a process there by step you will improve the league.
All right, and I know your cats or Kreku, and I seen your water no Trimsa and election to know ye piano so improve your point.
I am Munya Sania man.
No kind of make a true.
I'm Munya Saden. Ubi out here, what you can be no na ye collection biano. You make sure obey be a many pineapple wasem, a many panajus here to my best idea my. So that's the reason to the other fine. A good idea, and I say, I did be on there by a good. But you must say, a babuya 2 pies because we yellow quatuaba. So everyone say the opponent side now all about also then all about. So now
some fun on fast new strategy. As it stands now, you who message Georgia Kwesi free
on 5 May. I no go me one.
As it stands now.
Because now no, we are giving everything opportunity to catch so on the second round. Because we were from Congress to a meeting and Premier League and pound to many adin. Maybe you be share be make sure say ordinary and is wadin wuna e ma nipa na to man order to go. Because he said now no all the 10 Premier League now from 1 to 10 no obi so benye ska dia I didn't mental ma na me nkwana beto say na menya bidibi so what dey say so we are all about opponent now so bad no so what be ba be kan okay say what of 10 for ma 20,000 and me time the what so 15 go bia so benya 20,000 1 to 15 then one so we say 1 to 15 we be say from 10 to 5 we be say ana me so mental mu na me so menya ska ni bi so ababuya ma competition about him but whereby the opponent one dey cope win bapim ne yente hweye wakofa ne nomination alcohol we wakwa to na no oga so de manifesto ba still yente hweye but as time goes on time na ekọ no because uhwe niam oket yin na ya it's political talk say na be obetime win ya because uhwe bi obehie bi o make sure say o discover beto then you say you me say sika na ege wo sika timi bibia discard de ebetima ma wadi hin sisi ya sika oh yeah Ghana is Ghana you asking how they sky
football scar
football scar na ne one ewo e me ne wode but is on no control
since you dey am say no can say anu ntino asan chairman
asan chairman or chairman because of so be the president ntino chairman because obey 4 years ni meboya obey 4 years ni so that 4 years na ya gbo ni na dey no ye
same they be catch us every season last season na bet last 2 seasons before you started last season na sponsorship anymore or the sponsorship about and the money and that to the previous year no na yes na improvement by last season it was around 200,000 250,000 and a movie called 300,000 and at this time I didn't last year one can say because of election but improvement or improve upon the money
but improving from 1 to 2 pe.
No, it's not about fine. I understand Zebu range, you know, fine. But still, now we are talking about improvement. Last year, a movie from 250 to 300 improvement about or improving. Even before last year, even before last 2 years, and yes, before COVID-19, before 2019 or no, NT. I know what about NT tournament after NT 2020. And okay, more Premier League.
More Premier League.
2021, send you the Premier League, you know. 2022, I ain't the boy. Now 2023, I ain't the abo. Yaroko 2023, 2024. Also okay, over this years, yeah, the big. So the clubs are some of the clubs are complaining. This time around, okay, but moving from 300,000
to 500.
500,000, much improvement.
Okay, let me tell you, say no, the say we moving na ya dia manager ho. All right. But me when he say me when he say politics ya abato no so kan because one
abato na say over the years you know or improving here and I can be at point you know major to
me 550 range you know the aba because now no range you know he say no need me say yeah all days in him say Premier League you know who the first and second one more baby actually now what the third one might be 1,000
the own market about to say what to me I'm moving from sir
okay well move back when why are they but now you do about me near me biblia timisi about me biblia timisi about ye kwakwato aba next year and you Ghana in to obey
but we were here somewhere after the Congress and I hear can see Oko Congress Oko Congress, you know, Premier Division 1 and Women's League. I don't know once I'm class or promise on members. Banka Premier League. Now what is over Premier League? No. Until this time around, what demand they are no akofa ba Osan Kasabi.
Okay. And I'm actually say about to aya to Ghana your way. Politicians was too fast. Why am I when you politician or take I don't hey men can doubt.
But the clubs are happy.
They will be happy because I know the time for
let me follow most of the clubs and the websites. And
they happy. Yes. They get about also 10. Now 20,000.
So let's broadcast or Kreku for it.
Why are they? But they are about 20.
And you better just say next year no about 2 scans.
Yeah, waha. Because next year now to me 10 echo 15.
Oh, there be.
I didn't think that there be. You are improving. So
or the 3 years they move from 1st to 4th, no, to 1st to 10th.
Into the next year every 10 to 15.
I didn't
think that there be.
Wait too much and send the follower, you know, they're moving from.
About over now. There be.
It depends on the package or any
so
that's
the internet.
I'll make a statement to say.
The
sponsorship Biba never count near one rana is kind of anymore. Why not? English Premier League won't you from 1st to
up to where
if they're from English Premier League 1st to 20th. Now Ghana say 1st to 10th. On there.
Internet say, Eke, why are they from 1st to 3rd? One move from 3rd to 5th. You see, when
first and second.
First and second. And I'm say one move.
Why are they?
What about 10th? 17 you progression you nim. And this is now what the about from 1 to 10. You say we are my say you nim. I was saying next year we fit 10 to 15.
Super.
You say why are they?
Super, I'm the president of the Ghana Football Association Abaso. And now I'm on for Abisa say yede injunction ediato leg so no is it right say ye be lunch na o hwe court per Ashgood the omde coin na wo man ka say yede injunction to lunch so is the Ghana Premier League and the president of the Ghana Football Association any penny for and a woman nim dia woman so the luncheon yambo mabaso and drum penny for bi okopi mo jumedi na se bia testify say at least no oko the lunch na se no otie anase onya a clear sound mind say dama bia no if the Ghana Premier League esha for the past previous season or the Ghana Premier League obeti say team Ibeka say Ofiakra Temali sikasem obifi tamali ebe kokpando sikasem no those kind of thing. The president of the Ghana Football Association Ellen Payne Father say who say baby a esia league no anase baby a esia wiasen no then na obeya ebema clubs no so eniage. First the Ghana Premier League started from the 1st to the 4th position. Omnya bibi kakra from the 6th to the 10th position. Then nearby the amomo almost say oh at least no Premier League near bono if the whole season you spend 1 cedi at least 1 cedi you bet me 50 you bet me 50 pesos be with at least no edu bet me abo say oh league na year bono scan ya spend can if senke to me e boy ho modern a enka you bet me enye ska e wo honmom from the 1st position obenya ska, 2nd obenya, 3rd obenya akosi the 10th position. Among the braces to say it's just because of the election. Fine, maybe I can say election, but one no atna say we say then ena wono ebe ya obetimi ama the Premier League clubs eniage. Enti enom ena ode egu nkrata so a ode aba out to the public say na Premier League clubs no may to me ayama omeniage. And also, all the better to me who say any Premier League club be about one. Say, I can say, the president of the Ghana Football Association, Sika A, Sika B, ABC the 10th position. No, Kana Eswana say Insha. No, Obianiaji because previous years, this our Premier League clubs will come out to say, Obibe travel from Eye Kumasi Abe PM or Pando just because of football. Obibe travel from Eye Accra ko PM or Temali just because of football. And your man kiti be a question president and say this and yeah at least no a month and as a whole year you best spend one city our club a whole year and you toss the 10th position crana at least be 50%. So among for to say a election although yes a elections do then you be at least make me winning a people out there elections need to not so winning na say do see a ball is outdoor now say from the 1st to the 10th no was said about it from the 1st to the 5th and now bet me blame the president of the Ghana Football Association say just because of election intern did that those kind of scan everything from the 1st to the 10th but as it stands now no league in advance near best started we don't even know say league no year started and as year started now in just share that leg so yamba the president of the Ghana Football Association some way menene ya adwen some way amanfo on se mo boke kan meni omo nya adwen election odo no ni say say no ye obetumi di ewini and say no ye no obetumi ewini years to come na say all our Premier League clubs no from the 1st to the 18th position cry nyeska or relegation no nyeska kra na obon so ke league na obo no at least no or spending or gaining a little out of it. So the president of the Ghana Football Association, Obi Obenam say election, say I don't bear that person. Yambo na baso, staya ebema a league no eniaje yemisa say president awodo ben no maba the Ghana Premier League and so maba the president of the Ghana Football Association womo etumi from the first to the 10th position one aye bi obi anya bi da e wo kroma but currently Ket ache say enyama odi egu akwemu no eno na oye nipa de suba 100 enye adibia be 100% ena obenya edenya oye hwe so bi ka so mpe wasem super ompe wasem da dia be bia enya ne fe so to say odi anapa to kokoma no enumbre to benkuma no still na so ompe wasem
de bia na ebenum koko
o da bi super be set
say de to de bia to kokoma na or some vegas de bia na ebenum koko nsem kakra
but at least you don't have some ono so kakra no betinya afford no eno no de boa so me yamona baso the lunch was very superb and say would rather say one talk of the town and we na na can about the money and this account sense so yamona baso yanhwe the way forward as ye koye nim no how our improvements are on our more kan ho asem no and obetimi every day diat no and obetimi aboante Premier League clubs outdoor no wombo say yes is say at least no season never start no they will lose but obigele no ho ebeto so at least the 10th position ono so benya suka kakra na ono so e de atonata so
all right any super there no but Africa there no at the pie no say from next season ekono we be qualified to Africa be about $35,000 in the first round and another $35,000 so to me qualify to the second round whether FA Cup and I say whether Confederations Cup and I say CAF Champions but if you want someone can say dano da na edin komo be alaji gusa crowd to just say obu FA Cup about just 5 matches no they winning the FA Cup no man $35,000 Premier League about 34 matches na or the winning no co Champions League and also mano a year $35,000
so by
CAF Champions League they no co 40,000 we na 45
so by adi obetimi afford and Oshe going to the FA Cup playing the Ghana Premier League so ba me who say just the same so ba ono na oni ni pay no father say and we say say and ye ebeboa o kan one ko super o menya age atum say ne edema and I don't see say I was say amount for me started so make any comment about that.
Okay. My man kwenya na so a wo fie frɛ bremu na yen gene yen sorry so 0551 667755 0551 6677 55 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 now also what frɛ ba now they are joining about Ghana Premier League and rather Ketodin Simon Ekreku Kopa Ontoma Ede in Sama Wodo Edi to just say Premier League Sikano prize money yatum from 300,000 to 500,000 and the top 10 no bia we would top 10 no so no Obama Ska now so they are bought what so 0551 667755 0551 667755 0270 191 971 Nana Kofi free on Facebook or say I really like your shirt. I don't swear. Nana go feel free. The sounds now Richmond. They are about say fantastic sports. I am enjoying it from London. And also the message what to me Eddie Abba. When so twice see they are about say more fire. And also need the Kobe Classic. And also say good morning seniors. Never say chia. And also no it to me Eddie Baya and it's senior 35,000 for Africa.
We share this era of Keta we say for Sikasem anyama we say what they the pa because we say why administrator that now say why football chairman that what to team Sika would team ni no a mouse obey president and we say no one man what teams in our bread so that's the reason I mean we say I feel now no he make sure so pump sika into the football. I me can say I do you I had papa.
I mean for be one so hello. Okay, wait to my phone 0551 667755 0551 667755 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 Frebra na yendi enkomo ewa na kasima be mienu Me and Sana, yeah, sorry, so. Hello. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Pacho. Didn't baby Afrifi.
Hey, Shimeka Timo Kasafi Royal Johnson.
Master Timo Royal Johnson about Kuano Pay. My
Namia Demobia, who are Namoso Moto San.
Namia don't be a come up. Mind you.
Yo, and another damp of about Timo Suchian. And I'm kind of say, why are they? Why? Because what you call that's 5 billion. I'm not team so on can why you don't want to be a can name be a still never be a 1 man for time or the other no crampa ban. No, a mobile can say, election to know the buy. San will be a son or you'll be out of a cannon. Say election time because will be election time. The years of a fossil or Benny or Betchen Nipalajan, also Benny Nipalajan in the other fossil. This time they are wrong, but why are they? I'm going to Shiram.
I mean, now I so many saw you, Georgia Freed. I mean, I want to manifest.
And the Georgia Freed, the enemy supporting on because you tell me what you had now, Bano, and you have been over to San Ipanagini. You had none to answer a time now, so one time my time, no, so the Georgia Free on your and I'm supporting that Munya with the Munchen or the manifesto in the Bible, when you have papa, a woman.
Okay, all right, and here, Master Timo, I don't know, 0551. 667755 0551 667755 0270 191971 0270 191971. I'll bet me 027 with my friend on WhatsApp and also bet my friend about 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 London for no na my yeah come on na bibia de dem come on na call Zuba. Final
Azuba, mandate here for us. Your mom montage from afar from 10 to 12. Endo BBS. Omi a very fantastic. Omi a super power. Yes, I've ended. Yeah, my media, Akosi of Akosi and Sano. Akosi Bruta. Zuba only pay a last only pay Zuba. Obapa Cousina.
Yeah, Obapa.
Yeah, my media.
Master no.
Wasen no. Yeah, Obapa.
Obi and Shami Bizanza, yeah, then I was Master no.
Oh, okay. And the and my media. DJOG. Ujawi montage from Ujam. Bruta. Zuba. I don't come on.
All right. Senior.
Okay. I say, Bibia than I can be better at TFU now, will be beauty and baby will be a TO now. One question support here now, and tell me, one WhatsApp, one Facebook, now, who call a YouTuber or command at the hall, or by Facebook at the hall, or call WhatsApp, or baby, I could be no one come TikTok in Abercon command now, one support here, and I intimate enquire him.
TikTok.
Yeah.
Hey. They can our TikTok.
Nah, then.
They can.
Bishop Kurao.
Oh, Snapchat and so.
Bishop Kurao.
Oh, Snapchat and so.
I mean, what? All the menu.
Same who software snap party.
All the menu. Snap.
I don't know who was snap.
All the menu. All the menu.
Snapchat.
Snap. All the men go out there to me.
Okay, yeah, go. It's also no Yambua. It's never been able to us in a second conformative Nina. Gideon into Kofi Okora, Jaman Sansona, the boy Ziggy, and it don't buy and so course MCR, your DJ Wada. I don't know you when you're not doing anything in the chair. Hey, Zaguano, and I feel so. K Brown, hey. I want a picture of Yana, and I find your Friday. K Brown picture. I know that I could have been no. No, Zucra to green. And to be able to say green. No, I find now quick chin number. Hey, what now you? Or when I'm sad, I know why my baby are called. So come on. Make sure I interview. No, when I'm. It's I don't know. I didn't know too many. I know I'm seeing the Kelvin and Ponce. Yamiboa. I never ba. Na yet me aba betua. So now say can be confirm one expert and I feel so Tontina 74. Yes, T74 Bobby. Now what in yes, so I don't pay fear and one year num it's a now so papa. Number china eba never betua so muchum.
Face covered like a Taliban, just a bad man moving bad. All me want is some peace of mind. Roll one and a burning loud vibrations happen that. See no evil, I see no man.